Well, I was all excited today as I received my new controller from Jack Cecil for my Aerial Rider X Class 52 volt. This controller is supposed to be able to work with 52 volt or 60 volt. And I run into a problem. Uh, all my connectors match except for this little bad boy right here. And I'm not sure what I'm going to do. But this is what it looks like on the old controller. And if I follow it, goes up in there, comes out up here, and goes all the way to your tail light. So that blue connector runs your tail light and your brake light through your controller. And I guess I could put it in and not hook it up, and I wouldn't have a brake light or a tail light. I don't know what to do. Anyway, hopefully somebody will chime in and help this old fella out. Figure out what I'm going to do. Thanks, guys.